Today we're walking the Val President Relax Plaza in Dubrovnik, Croatia. We are standing right here in the center, and I think we are going to be walking this way. Today I am with my wife, Antonietta.
Hi.
And we will take you along this walkway.
Yes.
The waves are a little rough here.
Today, yeah. A little bit cloudy than usual. We had the last couple of days that were beautiful. Still is beautiful. Some people left their stuff here. Some people on the left there hanging out.
A lot more rougher here. Do we have to go up this walkway, or
Yes.
do
No,
we go down
this
here?
one.
It's beautiful out.
Yeah.
It's probably what, like 70 in the 70s?
Yeah, like 70.
Slight breeze.
Not too hot. That's perfect.
The sun's popping out.
Like Croatia.
These are Croatian Vespa.
Oh no, Italiano, look.
In Italian Vespa.
Product of Italy. Look at that. I'm sure that looks really beautiful.
Let's come down here.
A little bit more rocky here. Just be careful.
This old BMW. Another Vespa.
Yeah. This is called Piaggio.
There's a lighthouse in the distance.
Oh, that's the one I was talking about. Wow.
Beautiful lookout.
This is beautiful. How'd you get down there? This is really beautiful. Wow.
Trail. Beautiful views of the Adriatic Sea and the ocean.
Yeah.
I mean, in the distance. And this trail continues up.
More tourists.
We're looking for a famous cave bar that we heard today from our waiter.
So this was the walkway.
It's about like a 10-minute walk from here.
Oh, yeah. This walkway is beautiful.
Hopefully there is a walkway down here.
We shall see.
There's a pool up here.
Right on the beach.
Okay, let's see.
Right on the beach. Right here.
They have the red flag out here.
It's more high current.
No, that means it's closed to the people walking.
Yeah, that's why.
Swimming.
Look how much higher they are here.
The waves look a lot choppier here than they were
by us, yeah.
Okay, we can continue up here. It feels a lot windier now.
Yeah.
Hopefully the rain will hold up. But we have to walk a little bit more up this promenade. I think that's what they call it.
The gym. They got like a lot more weights than we do.
There's a gym in there?
Yeah, right there. Fitness.
If there's a gym, then it's for me. Another restaurant, Royal Terrace.
This cute sign. Very relatable.
Yes.
Love it. The most perfect.
What if you want to relax and have fun?
You can. This is literally the most perfect weather to walk.
It's very breezy
Beautiful
today.
breeze. Feels great though.
A lot more trees here.
A lot more trees, but a lot of also bars. Right on the water here. Part of the hotels.
Can you read that sign?
Yes, I can. It says good vibes here. Take a photo there. New memories everywhere. Very cute signs. I like
Let's see
these
where we
signs.
are. So let's see if we see the cave here on the rocks. Nope.
Still doesn't say. We gotta go further.
What does that sign say?
Follow that dream.
Dream of becoming a YouTuber.
You can do it.
All right. There's so many restaurants here.
Literally. All on the water too.
don't even have to go to Old Town every day. You can come here and
Different
have a restaurant by the water.
Look at that. That's stunning down there. It's like a little walkway.
Okay. Continue on. So we still have a little way to go.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Take a look at this fish.
Fresh from the sea.
Fresh from right over there.
Literally.
Looks like now 4 minutes away. Dubrovnik has beautiful walkways along the Adriatic Sea, just like this one. Here's a look at the prices at a restaurant here in Dubrovnik. As you can see, you're not saving that much money. So we've made it to the cave bar.
It might be packed.
Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.